Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to make money online in 2023. If you're interested in earning some extra cash or building a full-time income through the internet, then this video is for you. First, let's start by discussing some of the most popular ways to make money online. 1. Option is through starting a blog or website and monetizing it with advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. This involves creating content that attracts a large audience and then partnering with companies to promote their products or services to your audience in exchange for a commission. This can be a lucrative option for those who are able to consistently produce high-quality content and build a large following. Another option is through creating and selling your own digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or software. This involves identifying a problem or need that your audience has, and then creating a product that solves it. Digital products can be created once and sold an unlimited number of times, making them a potentially passive source of income. You can also make money online by providing services, such as consulting, coaching, or freelancing. This involves offering your expertise or skills to individuals or businesses in exchange for payment. This can be a great option for those who have a specific set of skills or knowledge that they can offer to others. There are many other ways to make money online, such as through social media, drop shipping, and more. The key is to identify a market need and figure out how you can meet it in a way that is profitable for you. Now, let's talk about some tips for making money online in 2023. First, it's important to have a clear focus and a plan. Determine what you want to achieve, and then create a roadmap to get there. This may involve building a website, creating a social media presence, or developing a product or service. Second, be consistent and persistent. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. It's important to consistently produce high-quality content or provide top-notch services to your customers in order to build a positive reputation and attract new business. Third, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The online world is constantly changing, and there are always new opportunities emerging. Don't be afraid to try something new or to pivot if something isn't working. Finally, be willing to learn and improve. There are endless resources available for learning how to make money online, from blogs and podcasts to online courses and forums. Take advantage of these resources and be willing to constantly learn and improve in order to stay ahead of the game. That's it for this tutorial on how to make money online in 2023. I hope these tips have been helpful and have given you some ideas for how you can start earning money online. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online endeavors.